Does anybody out there have sensitive skin or allergies to laundry detergent, things like that? Or does your washing machine, even if you put tons of soap in it, your clothes still come out smelling kind of funky? And you end up having to use a lot of, I don't know, dryer sheets and things like that to try to cover up the smell, or fabric softener. I have a great idea for you. Also, this is a really great way of making your washing machine last longer as well. What we're going to use, I'm going to help you get rid of laundry detergent. You'll never have to use laundry soap ever again your whole life. This is a very economical, great way of washing your clothes, and it's actually healthier, and it's better for the environment, and it's better for you, and budget-wise, you can't beat it. So, and it's going to help your washing machine last a lot longer too. So let's get into it. So first thing you're going to need is magnesium balls. They look like BBs. I'll just pour some in my hand to show you. They look like this. They're small. They look like little BBs, but they're not perfectly round. And these are magnesium balls. And depending on the size of your washing machine, you're going to use a certain amount of grammage. Another thing you're going to need are little nets like so. It's open on one end and closed on the other end. And you're going to put the magnesium balls in here, and you're going to tie this up, and then you're going to put it in another bag. After you tie that up, you're going to put it in another bag and tie that up. And so you're going to need these little nets. They're usually used for sinks. In Japan, we get these things, and they're for your sinks because we don't have garbage disposals over here. So I don't know how available these are. You probably can find them on the internet though. So you're going to need little nets like so. And then the next thing you're going to need are these little laundry bags. These little laundry bags, these are for women's delicates or whatever. And you want small, as small as possible, because these things don't take up a lot of space. And so you're gonna double bag it into one of these, double bag them, and you're gonna stuff them in here when you got it all done. And we have a small washing machine. I think it's 11 kilograms. I think it is for laundry, which is what, 23 pounds, 24 pounds of laundry. That's all it can do. It's a small washing machine, and so we use about 300 grams of these. So you just turn your scale on. Is it on? Can't see. And you pour it in until you get whatever the desired amount is. Now we're using 2 bags. One bag has 200 grams, the other bag has 100 grams. So let's say you want to do, you America, you're probably going to want to go, I wouldn't go any further than 500 grams. So let's say you do 3 bags. 2 of them have 200 grams, and 1 of them has 100 grams. So we just want to put 200 grams in. Like so. Oh, I got a long ways to go. I'm reading this upside down. Yeah, close enough. So about 200 grams there. And then you just pour it into your little bag here. You pour it into your little net. Make sure you don't get too teeny of a magnesium ball. They can't be too small. They're too small, they're gonna fall right through these little holes in the net. You tie it up. After you tie that up, you stuff it into another bag, tie that up, and you shove it into your little laundry bag, okay? That's all you have to do. And this will last you pretty much forever, because yeah, eventually they will start to darken, get dirty over time. They'll corrode, I guess kind of like corrosion. So what you do is you pull them out, you dump them in a bucket, you add some, I think it's vinegar, put some vinegar in there, or baking soda, I can't remember. You know what, I'll make another video for that time. For now, I don't remember exactly. But you would pour them in here, and you add, I think it's vinegar and baking soda, I'm not sure. And it makes a chemical reaction, and they'll clean themselves. They actually clean themselves. And then you rinse them out, you get all that stuff off of them, and clean them up really good with water. And you just put them back in the bag, and you can use them another, again. And we've been using them for over 6 months now, using these laundry bags, and we still haven't cleaned them. They're still hard to see through here, but they're still not dirty at all. They're still fine. They're still going strong. So you probably won't have to do it like more than maybe once a year at the most. Maybe even less than that, less often than that. But you can clean these up and reuse them. So you just do a one-time purchase of these magnesium balls and the nets. You have to replace these more often. You will have to rebag them more often because these things do wear out over time in the washing machine, because these work as agitators as well. So you're gonna have to replace these little nets maybe every 4 or 5 months. Replace these nets inside the laundry bags. Okay, so yeah, that'll do you good. And what this will do is actually get all the mildew off that the soap has caused when you use a laundry detergent. On the outside of the drum where you can't reach, it's on the other side, on the outside of the drum, it causes mildew on the outside of your drum because of the soap, the way it works. And that's what damages washing machines, that's what kills them over time. These things will actually kill the mildew. Anywhere the water can reach on the outside of the drum, it'll kill the mildew there, and it'll clean your drum up, and your clothes will stop stinking. You won't need soap to make them smell good. It works great for stains. These things will take out stains. We've had shirts with blood stains. It's actually taken the blood stains out. We've had shirts with oil stains from cooking, and the stains have come out. My wife was very shocked about that when we first started using these. We were skeptical, and it turns out these things work great. What else? And the smell. What it is obviously there's no smell to it, but your clothes smell pretty much like they smell when you buy them from the store. It's great. No odor, no agitation to your skin. This is so healthy. You can put this stuff in a cup of water, drink the water, and you're gonna be fine. You're gonna be good to go. You try doing that with laundry detergent, it ain't gonna happen. So, just a little tip: try these out. American washing machines, probably 400 to 500 grams of these. Try to separate more than one bag because they work as agitators at the same time. And make sure you use a lot of water. Use a lot of water, more than normal. Max out that water level as best you can for your laundry, and you'll see you're gonna love it. And never have to buy laundry detergent again. And these things you should be able to use for quite a long time before you have to ever replace them. If you have to, just clean them up when you get dirty. Thanks for watching. Bye.